So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to make $400 per day with zero money to start. Now with this strategy, this is something that I did earlier in my online marketing career pretty much, and it's something that I do recently as of this week, guys. So this strategy definitely works, and again, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure that you grab a pen and paper as you're going through. You may need to stop the video in order to implement something. That's fine. Do that, come back to the video and start the video back up in order for this to work. Again, this is something that I'm currently doing in my business, and it works like a charm. Now, to get the most results out of this, you have to do this consistently. Most people will just try something one time. If they don't get a result, they quit. And you have to understand this has to be a consistent thing that you're doing. So give this at least 30 days. Go through everything. Do this multiple times and make some tweaks here and there as you go along in order for you to get some results. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content, and I'm going to share with you again step by step how to do this strategy to earn money every single day, even if you have no money to start out of pocket. So the first place that you want to go is to warriorplus.com. Now, once you're on this website, you want to go ahead and you want to create a free account. Now, once you have created a free account, the next thing that you definitely want to do is you want to hover over where your name is in the top corner, and then you want to go to My Account. And from here, it's going to allow you to edit your profile. Make sure you edit your profile and you add an image of your face. Again, this is going to help you in the long run, so make sure you do those two steps because those are very important. Now, Warrior Plus is a website or a platform where you can find different affiliate products that you can promote. Now, they're typically going to be on the low end, so usually like some of the products may cost $7, $17, $27 or something like that. So you definitely just want to come over here and again, create your free account with Warrior Plus. Now, also what you want to have is a YouTube channel. So if you do not have a YouTube channel, you want to go ahead and create one. If you have a Gmail account, more than likely you already have a YouTube channel. So go to youtube.com. You want to make sure that you create a channel so that way you can use this for the strategy that I'm sharing with you. Now, the next step that you want to do is you want to come to muncheye.com. And don't worry, I will include a list of all the sites that I have mentioned in this video in the description below. So you want to come over here to muncheye.com, and what you want to do is you want to scroll through here and you want to find products that are being launched 7 to 14 days out. And that's the whole point of this particular website, muncheye.com, because they'll show you all of the internet marketing launches that are about to happen within the coming weeks, the coming months, and so on. So you want to find launches that are happening between 7 to 14 days out. The reason why you want to do this is because it allows you some time to prepare for the launch. So today is the 3rd. So if we scroll down just a little bit, we want to come to things that are being promoted on December 10th. And what you want to do is you want to find one of these launches. So let's click on this one for Glenn Koski. Let's go ahead and click on this link here. And it's going to bring us here to some basic information about the launch. So we can see who is creating this product, the name of the product, the date is going to be launched, and the front end price is $17. And then if we click on here, this is the JV page. So we click on the JV page here, it's going to give us additional information that we need to know in order to help promote this product, so that way we can earn commissions. So for every sale that we get of this
Hey guys,
product,
Glenn here. I'm super excited to announce.
So for every sale that we get by promoting this product, we have the opportunity to earn a commission. So the reason why we want to do this is because when this product launches on December 10th, there's going to be tons of people wanting to know more information about this product. And what we want to do is we want to take advantage of all that traffic that's going to be pushed to this product, so that way we can take advantage of it and grab some of those sales for ourselves, okay? So that's what we're wanting to do. So when you're over here, you're going to see all this information here. They're going to give you the sales page information, the JV document, email swipes that you can use, just all the tools that you need in order to promote this product. Now, once you're here on this JV page, what you want to do is you want to click here to get your Warrior Plus affiliate link. So that's why I told you guys you want to make sure that you create a Warrior Plus account at the beginning of the video, so that way you can apply for your affiliate link. So if you click on the link, it'll bring you to a page like this. And what you want to do is you want to click on this button right here where it says request approval. So once this opens up, you want to make sure that you leave a note here before you click this request offer button. Because if you're brand new to this, you have to do things a certain way in order for you to get approved to get a link to promote the product. So in this particular note, this note box right here, leave a note saying, I'm currently going through a course right now that is teaching me how to promote affiliate offers. So that's the reason why I have low sales, but I'm looking forward to promoting your product. And then you want to include your YouTube link to your channel, so that way it shows them that you are serious about promoting this product during the launch. Now, once you have completed your note, you just want to click on request offer. Now, you'll receive an email letting you know if you got approved or not. So in some cases, a lot of the vendors will approve you, sometimes they won't, and that's okay. What you want to do is you want to come back over to muncheye.com, and what we want to do in this instance to make sure that we at least get a few products that we can promote, you just want to come back and you want to apply for affiliate links for multiple products, because not all of them are going to approve you, and that's fine. If you just get a few of these to approve you, you're good pretty much, okay? So that's what you want to do here. You want to apply to several offers so that way you can get an affiliate link. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. Now, once you have been approved to get an affiliate link, typically you'll get access to a JV document. So just like how I shared with you for this particular product that we're looking at, once you have gotten approved, if you click on this right here, the JV document, it's going to bring you to something that looks like this. So let me make sure I pause this before it starts up again. It'll typically bring you to a JV document like this. And on this JV document, they'll give you additional information out to help you to promote the offer. So in some cases, just like this one, it gave us access to the course, so that way we can actually review the course. We can log in, see what's inside of the course, get a good review, see what it's all about and everything else. So that's what you're going to get when you get inside of this JV document. And they'll also let you know what the actual product is about, if they have any additional upgrades that people can actually purchase, and how much money it will cost and everything else. So this is typically what you can find inside of a JV document. Now that you have gone through your JV document, you have now went through the actual course to see what it's all about. The next thing you want to do is you want to create some bonuses, because again, now that you have your affiliate link, there's going to be tons of other people selling this offer. So what you want to do is you want to add some bonuses that'll help to quote unquote sweeten the deal, so that way you can get sales from people. So they'll not only get access to the product, but they'll actually get access to your bonuses. So what you can simply do is you can come over here to YouTube, and what you can do is you can compile a list of different videos that'll actually help people to create more success with the product. Or if you find things that are missing that can actually help the product be better, you can go over here to YouTube, find some videos that kind of help to fill in those blanks. But you definitely want to make sure that the videos or that you find on YouTube are related to the product. So if you were to promote a product about freelancing or about Upwork and how people can go to Upwork.com to make money, freelancing, you can come over to YouTube, do a quick search on like how to make money with Upwork. And on here, you can see different videos that come up where somebody's teaching somebody how to make $45 an hour on Upwork. How this person is earning over $2,400 per client. And you can grab the URLs for a couple of these videos, maybe like 4 or 5 of these videos. And what you want to do is you want to go to Google Docs and put those all listed here as the additional bonuses. So again, if we were to choose the one right here, how she makes $2,400 per client on Upwork, our bonus over here could be learn how to make $2,400 per client using Upwork. And that can be your first bonus. And then again, you just want to find a few more videos that you can use as bonuses. Now, when you are done with your bonus document, you want to grab the link to this document And then you want to come back over to Warrior Plus. You want to find the product that you're promoting. You want to click on Get Link. And when you do that, you can insert that Google document here with all your bonuses here. So when somebody purchases the product, they'll automatically get access to your bonuses. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to create some images for your bonuses. And you can simply do that by coming over here to Canva, and Canva is free. And what you can do is you can just choose one of their social media templates, and then you can create an image just like how I did here. So I just put like a bonus tutorial, I put the name of the product, and I let them know what the actual training video is called. And I just make this little image using a social media post template. I save it to my computer, and this is what I can use when I add to create my review page. Now, to give you an example of what a review page looks like, this is a review page that I created for a product that just launched this week. For this page, I actually created this with a paid page builder, but you do not have to do this. You can create these pages in Google Sites. Google Sites is free, and you can create unlimited sites on here, or you can actually go to Weebly.com in order to create this page. And again, this page I'll include in the description below, so that way you can use it as a template to create your pages. So on this page, as you guys can see here, I just grabbed some of the information that was from the JV document that you're going to get once you get approved for your link, and I put it all together here. And then I also included all the bonus images that I created in Canva for my bonuses. And these buttons right here, they're actually my affiliate links. So whenever somebody clicks on this link, it will actually go to the sales page for the offer that I am promoting. And if they purchase, I earn a commission. Okay? So that's all that's on this page. And you don't have to reinvent the wheel, guys, okay? All the information that you need for every product that you ever going to promote using this strategy is typically going to be found on the sales page for the offer or on the JV document. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to get a screen recording software so that way you can create a review video. So we come over here to screencast-o-matic.com, and if you click on pricing, it's going to bring you to this page here. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit, they do have an option where you can create free videos, and you can record up to 15 minutes per video for free. Now, with Screencast-O-Matic, you have the option to just record your screen, or if you want to show your face, you can. But if you don't want to show your face at all and just record your screen, you definitely have that option. And with the free option, they do have a watermark on there, but don't worry about it, guys, because like I said, I have been doing this strategy for years. And as you guys can see here, this is a video I did back in 2015. And you can see right here, the watermark right here for Screencast-O-Matic. I still recorded the video. I still got the work done. Okay? So don't get hung up on that part of it. Just use this free software in order to make your review video. Now, when you make your review video, all you're going to talk about is what the product is, what problems it solves, and then you want to show what your bonuses are, just like I'm sharing with you in this image of my video. You share with people what the actual bonuses that you're giving away. And then because you have review access to the course, you remember from the JV page, what you want to do is you want to give people a sneak peek of the back office, letting them know what they can expect once they have actually purchased the product. And again, you can use this video as a template. And again, I'll include a link to this video in the description below. And you can use this video as a template in order to create your review video. And as you guys can see here, this review video is less than 8 minutes long. So it's not, you don't have to create long videos in order to make this happen. Now, once you have done that, you want to grab the link to your bonus page that you have created here. You want to include it in the description below the video, so that way when somebody watches your video, they can actually click on the link to go to your bonus page where they'll learn more information about the actual product, how much it costs. And again, if they click on any of the links on your bonus page and they decide to purchase the product, you will earn a commission. Again, guys, this is something that I have been doing since 2014. As you guys can see here, I did this video about a few days ago on November 30th. So this is something that I'm still doing, and it's in 2020, guys. This strategy works. There are people out here who are actually earning consistent 4 to 5 figures per month reviewing products. step by step, just how I shared with you in this video. There's someone out here who's actually earning 6 figures per month because he does launches, and because he has done so many launches, they have compound over time, and that's why he's able to earn so much money every single month by doing review videos, guys. This strategy works. So again, guys, make sure you go through the video again, watch it a few times, set everything up step by step, and then make sure you apply for multiple offers, because again, sometimes you're going to get approved, sometimes you're not. That is completely fine, but the more of them that you get approved, the more reviews that you can do, and the more money that you can earn. So in this video, I shared with you guys how you can make $400 per day with zero money to start. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you go underneath this video, leave a comment below, leave all your questions below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.